Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my how-to series of videos. Today we're going to be covering a new feature in Suno called Covers. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of a rewind here on some of the other things that we've covered in previous videos. So bear with me. I do want to show off some of the new features here in Udio. So as you can see, we are in the Udio app here. And what we're doing is we're generating an input audio for Suno to use as in the new feature called Covers, even though I wouldn't call it that. It's more like in painting if you ask me, but I'm no audio music expert, so it may not be in painting, but definitely seems to be a different way than using the extend feature, which we have covered in other previous videos. So we're not going to go into extends today unless we have to. But anyway, I've generated a, a set of lyrics here in ChatGPT, and we're going to go ahead and generate a track here in Udio. So ChatGPT recommended that Cyber EDM Industrial Synth Pop Track Remix. Okay, so in Udio, you definitely want to go into custom advanced mode here. Okay. Um, and again, you want the word instrumental in your prompt, and then whatever ChatGPT recommended for your style of music there. Now, in previous videos, I did say to use the instrumental mode. We're reinforcing that, but we didn't really go too much into the advanced features. So in general, I like my clip to start at the beginning of the song, not somewhere in the middle, which is the default. Also, again, we want to turn the prompt strength all the way up to max. There are no lyrics, so we don't want to use that. And then the clarity also really found really helps. So by default, it's at 25%. I get about 75%. You can try it at 100%. Don't get me wrong, but I do like a little bit of noise in there. But this is going to reduce a lot of the noise in the input that we're using. Everything else looks to be okay. We definitely want high quality. Don't really need ultra. High is good enough. The seed that, does not going to be used anyway, so we're not worried about that. We want the better model. And again, we want 32 seconds of audio. We don't need the full 2 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and create this, and we'll see how that sounds. Okay, so we have Neon Pulse and Digital Dreams. So let's see which one sounds better for what I want to do here. I'm a little waiting. Um, Again, in ChatGPT, you can get it to generate pretty good lyrics. I have a program to automatically write it in a style that's very familiar to Suno users, and really helps with the Suno prompting part. I've already got my thumbnail generated for the video that I'm going to be doing. It's all ready to go, so we're just kind of waiting for Udio here. All right, as I said, it is a little slower than Suno. All right, so let's see which one is better. Okay. All right, so that doesn't really change too much, and this one changes a bit more, so we're going to go with this one. I'm going to download it. Again, just make sure you use MP3 or WAV. Don't really need the video. That's great. There we go. Okay, now we're ready for the Suno part. Now, again, for covers to work properly, you needed to be in version 3.5. We go ahead and upload that audio we just generated, which is right here. And Suno's going to go ahead and process that. Okay, and everything else is fine. We actually add lyrics here, which is kind of neat. Uh, if you do want to put something with lyrics already in it, you can do that. Change the image. A lot of new features here. We're not really going to use those too much today. Okay, so we have the neon pulse ready to go. Now, one thing I found when it comes to covers, let's say you write a bunch of lyrics here, and a music style, and a title. Right. So, guess what happens when you hit cover, which I don't like. I mean, extend doesn't change any of this, which is nice. But you go to create here. They did change this um, menu around a little bit. So you need to go to create first. And then if you hit extend, it's going to use that, what we just did. But we hit cover, look what happens. All your lyrics disappeared. All that work. Um, this the cover goes up here, and extended would go down here. The style of music doesn't change, but the title also changed to whatever this was called, and then they put the word cover there. So, yeah, not really a fan of that new deleting my lyrics thing when I select cover. So if Suno is watching this, hopefully they do. Um, that gets changed, and the title change thing, yeah, it's not cool either. But I was prepared for that, so that's good. I've been working with this for for about a week now, so I do know some of its quirks. So we do have the title here of what we're working on, and we're going to be using that for our style. Now, one of the neat things I've learned about cover is it's not really a cover. Okay, so don't let that word scare you off. It's more like a parody. So if you put a similar style or the exact same style you fed into Udio, it's gonna use that audio very close to the original, make a few minor changes, but they sound very similar to what you did. I find this very great for live concerts styles and a couple other styles that I like to use here and there as well. Um, now, and it's a little bit different from extend, and it will definitely use that track throughout the piece, but it will modify it just like extend does to suit its own needs, but a little less modification, and it actually sticks to the prompts better. So when you put tags in there and stuff like this one, it actually follows those better in cover mode than it does in normal mode for some reason. I don't know why. So we're gonna start with a interlude here of the song, and then we're going to copy and paste my lyrics from ChatGPT into Suno there. All right, and again, with pacing, this really helps. Especially if Suno messes up. Usually it doesn't in this mode as much, but just in case. So we're going to put a riff there after the chorus. Give it a little bit of just blank music there. Also going to put a break here. And then after the refrain, since this is more of a dance style, I'm going to put a drop. Okay, and then we'll put a riff for the bridge. Let's do a solo here. Great, of course. Give it a break here, and another drop. Okay, now we're going to fade out on the outro. And end the song. Okay, so everything looks good so far for our cover song of Neon Pulse, which we have decided to retitle as a Gummy Bear song. I'm making Gummy Bears videos, so don't worry about that part. But just wanted to highlight, how does cover work a little differently than the extend function that we have covered in the past. And let's see what comes out of Suno here. Okay, so here's the original. Just to remind us of where we're coming from. Okay, and here's the first take. So you see, use that. For finishing. Okay, so this audio is no good. So we need to clean up the singer a little bit. So let's do this. Baritone. Oh, yeah. Falsetto. Vocoder. Baritone. This should sound better. I mean, right now I'm going to flag that as horrible audio quality. You can't hear the singer at all for the first verse. And give that a thumbs down because that didn't come out right. Let's see how this one came out. That's good, but let's improve the vocals just a bit. Tell me more about it. So, that's fine. It didn't pop for that, so let's rerun I mean, he's trying to get those vocoder effects in there, but yeah, you can follow the prompt. There's no intro. You can follow that. You can follow lyrics. So let's try this one again better. There we go. That's better. So you can see the beta version. It's actually a little bit on the audio quality, which is disappointing because I use a very clean audio source, and you would think it would be better with audio. All right, third time's the charm. Let's try it one more time. And see what's up. All right. Now we can actually hear what the singer's saying. So that's basically how cover works. It's very similar to the extend function, but as you can hear, there are some differences, and like I said, it really works really good for like a live concert setting and a few other settings in Suno that don't really work well with extend. So feel free to play around with covers. They are allowing you up to, I think, 200 free covers that don't cost you credits. You know, spec credits that can go down here. So yeah, that's basically how covers work in Suno.